Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Having trouble setting up your TP-Link AC1750 Wi-Fi extender? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to set up your TP-Link AC1750 extender step by step. You can follow these simple instructions even if you're setting up a Wi-Fi extender for the first time. Step 1. Plug in the extender. First, plug your TP-Link AC1750 extender into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to turn on. For the initial setup, keep the extender close to your router. You can move it to a better location after the setup is complete. Step 2. Connect to the extender. Now, use your phone or computer to open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the TP-Link extender's network and connect it. The network name may appear as TP-Link_extender or something similar. Make sure you're connected to the extender before continuing. Step 3. Open the setup page. Open a web browser and enter tplinkrepeater.net in the address bar. If that doesn't work, try 192.168.0.254. You should see the TP-Link setup page. Follow the instructions on the screen to create or enter your administrator password. Step 4. Select your Wi-Fi network. The extender will scan for nearby wireless networks. Find your main Wi-Fi network from the list and select it. Enter your existing Wi-Fi password when prompted. Double-check the password carefully because an incorrect password will prevent the extender from connecting to your router. Step 5. Complete the setup. Next, review the extender's Wi-Fi settings. You can keep the suggested extended network name or change it if you prefer. Click Save or Finish and wait a few moments while the extender applies the settings and connects to your main Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Move the extender. Once the setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a location between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Avoid placing it too far from the router. Check the signal LED and choose a location where the extender still receives a strong Wi-Fi signal. And that's it. Your TP-Link AC1750 Wi-Fi extender is now set up and ready to use. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wi-Fi setup and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.